Hey there, Tweetie here. Just wanted to let you know that there are links in the description below for you to be able to check out a few of the other things we have available. And we want you to also know not to jump to conclusions. Don't make assumptions about what's going to happen. You're becoming a prepper for several different reasons. But it might not be because of doomsday. It could be because you have to uh, leave for an emergency. Some people will assume that they have to bug out if it's a bad thing in the area. Some are determining that they're going to bug in. It's a good idea to have 2 or 3 different plans going here, A and B. So every prepper needs to have that backup plan and share it with their immediate loved ones. You can do this too. You don't know whether it's going to be having to, because you don't have the money to pay the rent. Where are you going to go if you don't? Who can you rely on? Where can you go? What happens if, there's a flood or a fire? Those things are not in your control. So you need to plan for those, think about those, and see what can be done. And so if you've liked this little tip, we want you to press the like button. And if you want more of them, subscribe. We're going to be here for a while trying to help you. Angels all around. Bye now.